Hi sir, I'm Raymond Bibidon from Sogo Fraternity. I'm 25 years of age. In this video, I'll share my life goals, plans for growth this semester, and how this subject ties into my journey. My life goal is to become a licensed professional electrician and eventually start my own small electrical services business that specializes in both residential and commercial installation, with a focus on integrating energy efficient systems like solar panel and smart home technology. I want to help people have safe, reliable electricity while also reducing their energy costs and environmental impact. Semester improvement and defense. The drastic improvement I'll make this semester is a masteral electrical circuit theory and hands-on wiring techniques. Though structured practice in mentorship, I'll spend 2 hours every weekday working through practical exercises using approved training kits and meet with a local licensed electrician once a week to ask questions and learn real world best practices. I defend this because being a skilled electrician requires both deep theoretical knowledge to troubleshoot complex issues and precise hands-on skills to work safely with electricity. Last term, I sometimes struggled to connect textbook concepts to actual wiring setups, which slowed down my learning. By combining practice with mentorship, I built the confidence and competence needed to pass licensure exams and work safely on job sites. Importance of this subject. This subject is vital to my goal because teaches the fundamental of electrical system, safety protocols, and code compliance, all non-negotiable for any electrician. Topic like voltage calculation, wiring sizing, and grounding standards ensure I understanding that how to design and install system that won't put people or property at risk. It also covers the basics of energy efficient technology, which aligns with my plan to specialize in modern sustainable solutions. Without this foundation, I couldn't work legally or safely in the field. That's all, sir, and thank you.